Oh, is this recording? This thing is recording. Oh, you guys. Woo! I'm so happy to have you guys join me on this video today. Today I will be unboxing another Kate Spade bag. Wow, right? Today we're gonna unbox one, and the one I got today, I believe is called the Janie medium tote. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. As you know, my first unboxing video, apparently I'm a fan of Kate Spade. I love how the quality of her purses are just so remarkable. Like, if I can show you a picture, I might have to insert it. I had this one, my first Kate Spade bag. The thing just lasts like silk. I don't know what it is. It's just amazing. So today we're gonna unbox this wonderful medium tote. So let me go ahead and get this box and let's get started. Hey guys, so I got this big box that came in right here, and this is gonna be very interesting. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. I hope you guys can see it. First and foremost, let me tell you guys, do not ship any of your boxes, especially if it's designer bags, do not ship it to your P.O. box. I repeat, do not ship it to your P.O. box. I'm just warning you right now. Apparently, I shipped it over there, child, and they never, they just act like they lost it. So it's the Christmas season, so I'm telling you this right now, there are some thieves out there, so do not, again, ship it to USPS. This is a PSA announcement. So, I'm so excited for this bag. Oh, again, they always, in my last video, I talked about how they always pack it so nicely. They pack it so nicely. Even down, of course, they give you the invoice and a whole lot of paper. So that's about it. Who cares much about that? Let's get to the purse. Let's get to the good stuff, okay? So the color I decided to get was a genuine leather, all black. This one retails, I believe, at, I want to say $197. I have to look that up. But of course, I did not get that full price. Okay, it was Black Friday. I had to shop. So this is this is really cute. I'm kind of excited for it. It comes with really beautiful detail. You can see here the Kate Spade. Hope it's zooming in. And that comes with a little tag that comes here. I really like that. It has even little gold details and gold scripting as well. This one it feels very smooth. Some leathers can have a little bit of a texture outside exterior to it. I love the fact that this one's nice and smooth. This can go with a lot of my leather pumps I have that have to work. So I really like the construction of this one. So again, this is a really, only thing I wish that they did have, do you know how sometimes at the bottom of some purses, they'll have the metal footings to it, or the metal bottom to it, so it doesn't touch the ground? That would have been perfect for this one, but nonetheless, I'm very happy with my purchase. So let me go ahead and get this opened so you guys can see the inside of it. Oh, this is a nice little, hold on you guys. You guys, this is a nice little detail. I love this. I did not even look at this when I first brought it, but it actually has a zipper enclosure to it. Isn't that so nice? And it's nicely constructed. It also has the gold to it. I absolutely love that. That's a pleasant surprise because I definitely did not think that was included on the purse. Most of the time it's all opened and you know your stuff falls out and people child, I just don't like it, but I'm so happy that this has a zipper to it. Very happy. super happy. Let me get all this stuffing out for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the inside of it. I'm actually gonna give you guys better footage on this. Okay. You can kind of see it. It has it has a nice zipper in here. So you switch on the other side. It has these 2 pockets here. Again, I can fit my whole finger in there, so you know, or my whole hand, so you know it's gonna fit a lot of great things. And I like the fact that it has the emblem all over inside, and this cute little detail there. I like that. And also what I loved out of it most, because I had no idea it had a zipper to it, guys, it has a zipper. How nice is that? How nice is that? And as well as the emblem there. And that is your Kate Spade Janie medium tote. This purse is really cute. I really like it. So, all in all, you guys, this purse is perfect if you were to go to work. It's perfect if you're a traveling mamacita like me. This purse has it all. I'm pleasantly surprised for the price that I got it for. It's well constructed, right? On top of that, it's just, I don't know, I love it. I can't say it enough. I like the fact that it has 2 pockets that are right on the left side of the purse. It's big enough to fit an iPhone 11, which I love because I always put my phone right on the sides. It also has a zipper pocket on the other side. So usually I put my keys there, or my work ID, just to make sure that it's not lost. And I'm telling you, the space that's in here, you can fit a really nice size laptop, honestly. I don't know, I really like this. Really like this. So you guys, I definitely recommend you guys getting this bag. Really recommend it. The bag just, I can't say enough about it. Another great purchase that I purchased from Kate Spade. So, I mean, it's really good for work. I really got this because I needed one for work, and one I have is too small. And I don't know if anybody else is like me, but I have 1,000,001 things in my purse. So I'm the kind of person, I need a huge purse to make sure that it's all together. But yeah, I will mesh this with my other bag. I'm sorry, my other wallet. I'm gonna show you guys in a second what that wallet looks like. This is the wallet I will be pairing up with my wonderful Kate Spade baby right here. So this one has, show you a little bit more. It has a little texture to it, which is totally different from this one. But it's no problem. I'm probably fine with that. Yeah. Well, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this wonderful unboxing with me. I thank you for joining me on this unboxing, and I definitely recommend this bag. In a week or so, I'm gonna definitely see how I like it. I think it'll work out just fine, honestly. But this has been a really good one. I like it. So thank you guys. You can subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely make sure to send out more wonderful videos for y'all. And this thing is falling over. And I thank y'all for joining me. And on my next video, I hope to see you soon. And let's keep rocking out. Be everything you want to be, and live your life in a beautiful way. I love you guys. Bye.